Mark and Daniel are gonna go out tonight and see if we can't find a few. It is, what is the day, March the 7th? I think, March the 7th. It is warm. The car is reading 72 degrees, so not ideal, but it is what it is. So we'll go out and see if we can't make something happen. We got Columbus, also known as DK, Daniel, and we got Mark. So we're gonna see if we can't make something happen. Y'all, what do you tell them, Mark? Like and what?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Click away, my friends.
Show us some love. Daniel's got a 55-inch flat screen in the truck.
Dude, trying to operate that thing, y'all, I couldn't do it. One, I would wreck trying to play with it.
Don't run over the cow.
No fire pro on a windy night. Yeah.
So what happened there, I screwed us on that one. We were set up, I seen something go through the woods and thought it was a coyote, and we faced another direction, and Daniel said left, left, left. So we all try to spin around and they're coming right at us. We stopped them and I shot just a little bit early and screwed us out of a double, but I was just getting Daniel back for shooting without counting or anything on me and Mark. So we're even now.
Big time dog hog.
You know what? It don't really matter as long as it's in the basket.
That's right.
You got my
Well, the one that we missed is not in the basket though. So
no. I didn't shoot that one. Just
that was the problem.
First time ever.
That was the problem. Mark didn't shoot.
That is. That's what it is.
They left me to shoot by myself.